In this lecture, we'll see how to create a new directory. For this, we have to use the mkdir command. It is an abbreviation of make directory. To create a new directory, we write mkdir followed by the name of the new directory that has to be created. So this command will create a new directory with name dirb in your current directory. So this directory dirb was created in your current directory. We can make more than one directories using a single mkdir command. So these three directories were created in your current directory. If we want to create a new directory inside a directory other than our current directory, then we can specify the absolute path name or relative path name for the new directory. So here we have created a new directory named dirx. Inside this directory, course. This is the directory dirx. Since we are already in this home directory, we could have simply written course/dirx. We can make directory trees with a single mkdir command. So this command will make directory d1 in your current directory, and then it will create directories d1a and d1b in directory d1. So here we have this directory d1. Let's go inside this directory. So these two directories d1a and d1b were created inside this directory d1. Note that this order is important here. First we have to create the parent directory and then the subdirectories. Let's see what happens if we specify the parent directory after the subdirectories. So here first we are specifying the subdirectories and then the parent directory. This directory D2 was created, but these directories D2A and D2B were not created. Now we want to create this directory dir4ab, which is inside this directory dir4a, which is inside this directory dir4. Now this command will execute successfully only if these two parent directories exist. Otherwise it will give us error. Here we don't have any directories named dir4 and dir4a, so it gives error. If you want to make directory trees like this using mkdir command, then there are two ways. First one we have seen. We make the parent directories first and then the subdirectories. So in this case, first we have to make this directory dir4 and then we have to make this directory dir4a and then we have to make this directory dir4ab. The other way is to use the -p option of mkdir command. We can use this -p option to make several directories and subdirectories at the same time. So if we use this option, we don't need to specify the parent directories separately. If any of the parent directories are missing, then using this -p option will create them. So this command created three directories for us. First it created directory dir4 inside our current directory. Then it created dir4a inside this directory dir4. and then it created dir4ab inside this directory dir4a. Let's see. Here we have dir4. Inside dir4 we have this dir4a, and inside this directory we have this directory dir4ab. Now let's write this command. Now here dir4 already exists, but dir4x and dir4xy don't exist. So these two directories are created. So the -p option of mkdir command can create nested directories. If any of these directories exist already, it will not display any error. If any of these directories don't exist, it will create them. This mkdir command may fail if there is a directory or file with the same name, or if you don't have permission to create a directory. For example, here we have this directory dir3, and again we try to create a directory with the same name. It failed. Now we are trying to create a directory in other users' home directory, but it failed because we don't have the permission to do so.